At 30, he was bright, successful and fun. But one day Richard Wade's mental health severely deteriorated. He called the police to tell them he was going to take his own life, and he was admitted to an inpatient facility.
He got to hospital after midnight on the Sunday. He was dead by midday.
Richard's parents were at the hospital when he was found in his bathroom. They say he wasn't cared for, he was allowed to die.
We were on the ward,
Looking at the door behind which was our son.
and when the alarm went off, we saw people running down, and I said, I hope that's not my son. And of course it was. And they left Richard with everything. They left him with him knowing he was suicidal. I mean, it's a disgrace.
Richard died here, 3 months after another patient took their life in the same room. Their deaths are part of a public inquiry into how 1,500 patients died in mental health institutes in Essex over a 20-year period. It's heard there was a lack of basic information about care and treatment. Serious concerns have been raised about the physical, mental and sexual safety of patients. And there were apparently major differences in the quality of care, either in staff attitudes or in the use of treatments. The Essex Trust that runs the Linden Centre's already admitted failings in 11 deaths here and today said it's supporting the inquiry. Melanie, though, is not. Her son, Matthew Leahy, also died while an inpatient. She's been fighting for an inquiry for years but thinks only a judicial one will give them answers.
There's been numerous investigations, inquiries and whatever, and we can see the change isn't happening. We must have a public inquiry. We want to secure the first statutory public inquiry in history, and then we'll see the change in this mental health system. We need everything scrutinised.
They may differ when it comes to the inquiry, but what both mothers have in common is that they thought their sons would be looked after in care.
I thought he was going to be okay. I thought he was going to be safe, and he wasn't.
Linda and Robert say they just want two things to come out of this inquiry: the truth and change. Emily Morgan, ITV News.